What do you offer them?
If you are looking for an event in the Philippines, if
Event?
you want to do a birthday,
Yeah?
recently I just had an inquiry for someone's getting married and they want to do their guests, they want to treat them on island hopping experience. So if you want me to help you and
Or you cannot help me because I haven't found a girl that I'm gonna take there.
We'll find you
Maybe
one.
over there, yeah.
You want me to go on Tinder? My name is Andre Bonds of the Handsome Mechanic.
You should be here.
Getting a law, is that a personal motivation or you have other...
It was originally because I wanted to start businesses and I thought having a little background in it.
Yes,
Yeah.
wow.
But yeah, now
But what branch of law?
I'm looking at a lot of things like IP law,
IP.
looking into the new things like smart contracts, so you know crypto,
Yes, yes.
things like that. And then
How do you see AI? Do you see AI as a threat to your job or
I think it's a good thing to make my job efficient.
more easier, yeah? Beautiful. You mentioned earlier, madam, you have a business in the Philippines. Can you tell me more about it?
It's just in the starting phase. So I'm starting a travel business from Australia to the Philippines.
So, until now?
I'm starting. So yeah,
Starting.
I just launched. I ran one retreat last month for
Yes.
my work. We had 30 plus people in the Philippines and 4 Australians.
Is it up and running now?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I did a
Wow.
trial with
Yes,
a few
yes,
people.
yes.
But we'll be going to the Philippines next month to establish the hotels, tours.
Well, why don't you invite our followers for you to follow you on Facebook? What's your
Please,
Facebook?
it's PH Local on Instagram, Facebook, all of our socials, PH Local.
What do you offer them?
If you are looking for an event in the Philippines, if you
Event?
want to do a birthday,
Yeah?
recently I just had an inquiry for someone's getting married and they want to do their guests, they want to treat them on island hopping experience. So if you want me to help you and
Or you cannot help me because I haven't found a girl that I'm gonna take
Oh,
there.
no.
We'll find you
Maybe
one.
over there.
You want me to go on Tinder? Anyway, madam, since it's your first time here, I'm sure you have been to another mechanic in Queensland.
Yeah.
How would you rate our shop compared to the shop in Queensland?
Okay, I come from marketing background. When he said search handsome mechanic, immediately I was like, that's a good name. You can remember it instantly. And then we
And it
came
stands
in.
out.
It stands out. I was like, wow, handsome mechanic. It's
Very filler.
very Filipino.
And plus the logo.
Yeah, it's very good. So I came in and then we walked in. I was like, oh, it's big. It's nice. It's a good shop. Very
Wow.
clean.
So you're happy to recommend us to your other friends
100%.
too?
I already did.
Wow.
All my friends already recommended
Wow.
on Facebook.
Yes. Excellent. So, what would be your Christmas greetings to our followers?
I just wish everyone a very happy Merry Christmas, spending it with all your friends and your family and loved ones. Yeah, enjoy this time, have a break, make sure you look after yourself in this heat. If you need any mechanic services, you know who to go to, the Handsome Mechanic. Yes, you should be here.